JDCap26 here with Just Do the Repair and Tips. And how you guys doing today? I hope you're doing okay. It's close to Thanksgiving and everything else, and I've been making a mold here. I'm just making a mold up here of this car, and I want to make a duplicate of this car out of silicone. And see how I use the silicone from the hardware store to seal the box? This makes it completely seal proof so you don't lose any silicone when you pour it. Let's look right inside the box, and we put it in clay, and we did the sides. You can't really see the sides, but the sides where the wheel wells are, they're all full of clay. See the headlights, they're full of clay. And over here where this fantail is, and this cuts up over here, and this is all full of clay in here. So you're going to mix up silicone and pour it in there. You know, degas it first. I like to degas the silicone to get all the bubbles out. I also do a high pour when I pour silicone to get the bubbles out, so you don't have any imperfections in the cast. And then you afterwards you let it go 24 hours and let it dry. And then what I do is I take a knife and I cut it here all the way around the box, and then flip the whole thing over. You can actually do it, flip it over like that, and take the clay out and put silicone. You've probably seen it on other videos. I just thought this was neat to show you during the Thanksgiving holiday season. So I hope you have a safe and wonderful Thanksgiving holiday season. And please stop in, share, like, and please, put the notification bell on there. That's something new, it's, wow, notification bell. I didn't know we had one. And it's been there probably for a year. So please use that also, and so you know when I have new videos. I try to put up significant content, and please watch people in my playlists. They're very good at what they do. So we'll see you next time. Take care.